Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play back your videos in full screen mode on the KineMaster application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KineMaster application on your device, and once you open it up, you will be able to create a new project or choose from various old ones that are saved within your device. Once you open up any project, you will be taken into the edit screen, within which you can use the media tab as well as audio in order to import various different assets to start working on your video. Now you can preview your video by tapping on the play button in order to play it back and see how it looks. However, if you wish to play it back on full screen mode, then in order to do this, you will simply need to long press on the play button. When you do this, it will begin playing back your video in full screen mode on your device right away. And you will find the pause and play button at the bottom section. You can tap on close at the top left corner if you wish to close this at any point. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to preview your edits on full screen within the KineMaster video editing app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.